Hi, I'm going to tell you about myself. I was born in Jinju, which is a small city located in Gyeongsangnam-do. But as my parents had to move their workplace, I had to adapt in a new city. That was Daegu. But now I live in Gyeongju near Daegu. It is very small and historical city and quiet. So I hated when I was in high school. But now I love the calmness of the city right now. And I had to tell you about my major and dream job. My major is tourism management. But when I was in high school, I wanted to be a PE teacher. But during the process of the physical tests, I injured a lot. So I changed my mind to enter the tourism management. My dream job is steward. It is very connected to my major, and also I have so many interests with it.
Okay, here's the 5 key points about how learning should be. Number 1, morality. Number 2, motivation. Number 3, cooperation. Number 4, competition. Number 5, creativity. First, I'm going to talk about morality. In the case of various kind of learning subject, morality is one of the most important part. Learning should going in the right way with the morality, even the contents is not completely in order. We should get bright side of it. Here's some comments. To have respect for ourselves, guide our borders, and to have a difference for other governs our manners. This is the famous words that emphasize morality by Lawrence Stern. Number 2, motivation. To learn effectively, we need motivation. Learning should contain motivation, and motivation makes people more concentrate on their works and keep their knowledge much longer. Number 3, cooperation. Learning could be more creative with cooperation. Cooperations like discussion, meeting, it brainstorming people's idea and fulfill their flow each other. For example, like student 1, 2, 3, 4, they can share their work's opinion on matters they can figure out the cause and effects by more various way. Number 4, competition. In the contrast, competition is also neat in learning. Some might think that competition is bad compared to cooperation, but I'm sure there is a good factors in competition. Competition can make passionate on their works by giving them motivation, and the desire for winning can give the huge impact to human. That's the reason why we need competition on learning. It could be not necessary, but it will help. And lastly, creativity. In my opinion, make creativity is the ultimate goal of learning. So learning should make people practicing to improve their thinking skills. Then in the end, they can affect positive effects on others. Thank you. And if you have any questions, just ask me.